Hello and welcome! This is the new gimbal from FeiyuTech and is for smartphones, the new SPG 2. Let's see what's inside the box. Look at this box. It's the same style as other gimbals from FeiyuTech, and we have this envelope here with a quick start guide, the warranty, nothing really important. Okay, so let's open it. Oh, haha, so light and portable. That's nice. It has as well this magic ring and a little display. It comes with a small tripod. And here, nothing. It's empty. Well, but I guess it comes with a battery here and it fits here. Yes, right. So in this display we'll get some information when we connect the phone with the app. A joystick and a magic ring to perform some camera movements with a gimbal. A USB port, trigger button. We can adjust the axis with this wheel, like this. And the other... oh no, we don't have this option. Okay, so as long as it's only for smartphones, I guess that is not really necessary. So we don't have to balance one axis. Okay, that's good. And this is the vertical mode, and I guess that's perfect. It's very easy to go from vertical to horizontal. That's great. Let's see. Right, it feels safe. Not moving. Good. So that's it. This gimbal comes only with the necessary things that fits in this box, so we don't have to carry unnecessary things around. That's great. Okay, I'm gonna test it outside and I will come back with a review of this gimbal for smartphones, the SPG 2.